As you have promised, by Monday, I hope all of our schools will have gotten their meals. I'm also happy the food has increased. You have increased the meals as per the increase in population, and I really appreciate it. We might not mention all the figures here. As county government, we are committed to ensure our small kids remain in schools despite of the aridity of the area. It has also encouraged where we no longer move as Samburu County. Some people, as you know, we are nomads. This availability of food has made some parents to remain behind to educate the small kids. Animals move, but parents remain behind. And I also want to encourage them. Let's take this opportunity. Let's exploit this opportunity to make our students, our small kids, go to school.
During our last data analysis, we had 40,768 children who are going to be fed through this feeding program, and I'm almost certain more children will continue to come, and we will continue to do this so that we educate the children of our county. And nutritionally also, you know, we have a balanced diet. We have rice, we have beans, we have vegetable oil, and so at least our children will get a nutritious meal, so their health will also be taken care of.